Hello friends, is your cruise control acting up? Maybe it won't engage or turns off suddenly. If your obd2 scanner shows code P0591, it means there's a problem with the cruise control multifunction input B circuit range performance. This could be caused by a faulty cruise control switch, wiring issues, or even a malfunctioning module. But the big question is, where is the faulty component located? Let's find out. What is P0591? The P0591 code stands for Cruise Control Multifunction Input B Circuit Range Performance. This means the ECU has detected an issue with the signal coming from the cruise control switch, preventing proper operation. Common symptoms of P0591: cruise control not engaging, cruise control turns off unexpectedly, check engine light, CL, is on cruise control, buttons don't work properly, erratic cruise control behavior. If you're facing any of these problems, let's locate the faulty component. Sensor and component locations. Where to find them? To diagnose P0591, check these key components. Cruise control switch, multifunction switch. Location: on the steering wheel or steering column. This switch sends cruise control commands to the ECU. Cruise control module. Location: under the dashboard or near the engine bay firewall. Processes cruise control inputs and maintains speed. Brake pedal position sensor. Location: above the brake pedal, under the dashboard. A faulty sensor can mistakenly disable cruise control. Clutch pedal position sensor, for manual transmission vehicles only. Location: attached to the clutch pedal assembly. A malfunctioning clutch switch can disable cruise control. Wiring and fuse box. Location: fuse box under the dashboard or engine bay. Damaged wiring or blown fuses can cause circuit issues. Common causes of P0591. Faulty cruise control switch. Worn out or stuck buttons can cause erratic behavior. Loose or corroded wiring. Broken or corroded wires interrupt the signal. Blown fuse or relay failure. A blown fuse can disable the cruise control system. Brake or clutch pedal sensor. Malfunction. If these sensors fail, cruise control may disengage unexpectedly. Cruise control module failure. A malfunctioning module won't process commands correctly. How to fix P0591. Step 1. Use an obd2 scanner to check for additional trouble codes. Step 2. Test the cruise control switch. If it's unresponsive, replace it. Step 3. Inspect brake and clutch pedal sensors. If faulty, replace them. Step 4. Check fuses and relays. Replace any blown fuses related to cruise control. Step 5. Inspect wiring and connectors. Repair any broken or corroded wires. Step 6. Reset the ECU and test drive to confirm the fix. Ignoring P0591 can leave you without a functioning cruise control system, making long drives frustrating. Fixing it early ensures safe and smooth highway driving. For more car troubleshooting guides, check out these videos next. P0428, catalyst temperature sensor low, bank 1. P0429, catalyst temperature sensor high, bank 1. Like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more car repair tips.